Can you even see me? Hello? Should I just rip off the size of this box so that we can do this? Maybe that's what I just need to do. 1, come on, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's better. That's a little bit better. One day, my life will not be in shambles. Maybe it won't be in shambles. Let's just pretend that the shambles are just out of frame. That's how I want to live my life, is that the shambles of my life are just out of frame. Hi guys. Okay, should I just we'll just do it like that for a second. Hello, hi, shalom, good evening. I got this box in the mail from YESTYLE. I ordered it about a month ago. Excuse me. YESTYLE takes like a while to get your stuff to you. They have a lot of really cool stuff. They have a lot of Asian culture. They have like Japanese, Korean beauty stuff, lots of stuff. So basically, I was given an amount to purchase, and I honestly don't even remember what I ordered, which sounds like ridiculous, but it was a while ago. The last month has been crazy. Violet started kindergarten. There's just been a lot going on. So I figured, here's this giant box of stuff, and it could be fun to just kind of have an unboxing kind of video with you. I've been doing PR unboxing videos on Patreon. If you're interested, LeeshaLand.com. We just finished our monthly challenge for July, and it was awesome. And so just announced all the stuff for the new monthly challenge. I am super excited about it because the monthly challenge for July was super awesome. And it was really cool to see everybody getting creative and being badasses. And that's what the whole community is about, is being badasses, being there for each other. And literally, it's my favorite thing ever. I love every single one of you that is a part of that, a part of my Twitch, anybody that's on the Discord. It's just a giant, beautiful family. Hi, this is an edit from the end of the video. Tomorrow, this is not what I was looking for, but I thought it was. Tomorrow at noon Pacific, I will be doing my Twitch stream, my makeup stream. We're gonna be using the new Orangey Glide palette from ColourPop. So if you wanna come play, if you have that palette, you can come play. We have a real wheel we could spin. It's gonna be awesome. And I hope to see you there. So we're gonna open this today because I know that there's some stuff for Violet for school. I'm just excited to see what's here because I genuinely don't remember. And I know YESTYLE has a lot of clothing, but they also have kid stuff and they also have home stuff. And I know that this one, I dove into the home stuff a little bit more because I was super curious. So let's open it. I got my above cam so we can have like dual stuff going on here so we can see both ways. All right, so let's start with this. I opened this and I was like, ooh, is this like a, I think what this is like a cat bed. Or maybe like a doggy bed? I don't know. It's like small. Maybe it's a doll bed or like a doll blanket. I think that my cats will love this. I don't know about you guys, but my cats, I'm gonna just put this aside so I feel like, it's more than me, just a floating head. My cats have like certain spots that they like to just kind of hang out in. They constantly are sitting on the stairs. Luna is constantly right in front of the back door. I think that's where I'm gonna put it. In the loft, we have one of those cat shelf things that you stick onto the window so they can look out the window. This is just about the exact size of that, and it would be so soft. So I think that's where it's gonna go. It's very soft. It's very cute too. I really like the pattern. Let's keep diving into this giant box of mystery. This has to be for Violet. I wish it was for me because I would wear I'll wear the hell out of this. No, it's not for Violet. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. You know what this is? Do you see this? This is for Riley. It's a dinosaur, unicorn, rainbow. Oh my, I don't know if this is gonna fit Riley. This was the biggest size they had. I do remember that. We will try it on Riley, see how it goes. It has like a little hood. God, I don't know if it's gonna fit her. We will see, and it'll be hilarious. And Violet will freak out if Riley's wearing a unicorn. Okay, it's stretchy though. It's stretchy. Maybe it will fit Riley. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Don't worry. Don't worry. That's cute. That's so cute. This has to be for Violet. Oh my gosh, it's got pearls and everything. Look at that. Oh, this is something Violet would want to wear to like school, and I'd have to talk her out of it. Look at this little necklace. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh man. And then this dress. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it! Can't even see it on my camera because it's just so monstrous. It's got like the cute bow, it's like satiny, and then it's just Fluff City with all of these gigantic flowers and everything. Okay, Violet will love it. The thing with YESTYLE is that everything is in, I think, European sizing or Chinese sizing, I'm not sure. But this is Violet's and it's a size 110. I looked it up because I was trying to figure out what size she would be, and 110 would be like a size 5 for US. So this should fit her and she will love it because it is over the top and ridiculous, which is everything that my child loves. Okay, this, now I'm remembering. Now it's all coming, and it's all coming back to me. I remember that I've gotten a couple of things from YESTYLE in the past, and one thing that I'm gonna like sit on my leg so I'm a little bit taller here. One thing I remember is that their sizing runs really small, really small. I was buying the largest size they had and it was just fitting me. I'm that weird middle ground wasteland where there's like beautiful plus size stuff and there's beautiful straight size, and then there's me, who's right in between it all. It's a great place to be. Oh my god, and this is so dang adorbsable. This is actually a dress, but I'm confused because it's like open. What are we doing here? What are we doing here, YESTYLE? Is there like a button or something? Or, oh, okay. I thought this was for the waist, but it looks like it is not. It goes through here. Now I've got Celine Dion stuck in my head, and I don't even know the words to that song. I know My Heart Will Go On. I don't know the words. How do you get these in without it taking 200 years to get this, there we go, thing to go through? Well, we get the gist of it. It's gonna go around. That is cute though, and it's got a nice stretchy waist, which is all I ask for in anything that I'm buying. And generally the way that I kind of keep it in my head is that Asian sizing is a lot smaller generally, so I'm always gonna size up more than I would normally. And if anything says one size, I won't even bother. This is cute though. Oh my gosh, look at those buttons. Ooh, I love this with this white accentiness. Oh yes, look at the sleeves, and you've got the white on the bottoms, like a hemmed white. Oh my god, this is cute. It's heavy too. It's got like a really cute collar. It's got kind of a cinchy waist part, but it's stretchy, and that's all, like I said, that's all I ever want. But this is like, the material's really heavy. It's cute. Cute. I love cute. You know what I'm gonna do though now? I'm gonna take this box away, and then I'm just gonna, boom, place the stuff. I apologize right now because my desk is not clean. Hi. It's not clean, I'm sorry. Look at this shirt. This shirt is the vibes of my life. Meow. Really cute. Boom. Okay, I can already tell. This is the exact same thing as the black dress. We went in the other direction, so instead of white accents, we have black accents, black buttons, and white fabric. Still very cute and very nice material. I'm about this. This is nice. Oh, bam! Okay, what we got? Is this a shirt? Ooh, this is a dress. Or is there a romper? Nope, it's a dress. This is cute. It looks like this one. Okay, so this is a large. See, this looks like it might be a little bit big. Oh, it's got different colored buttons. That's cute. That match the hearts. This one does not have stretch in it though, or it has very little stretch, but that's cute. I like that fabric a lot. I like the print. Oh, it's like super adorbsable. So yeah, it's like a kind of a flowy, lots of skirt action going on here. This is peacock, but when I just picked it up, I definitely was like, are those avocados? And I got really excited. Not avocados. Ooh, there's purple accent. Oh my God. Okay, that is fruit cake cute. This is stretchy. Yes, stretch. This is like kind of my hair color in a sense. It's actually really close to my hair color. It's just that purpley pinkish vibes. And then just this teal is just, I'm always about it. I love teal shades. I love teal everything. So the two of them combined, this is gorgeous. And this is super flowy on the bottom, super lightweight, great for Arizona where it's, you know, hot all the time. This is really cute. So cute. Ah! I like this color. Oh my gosh. And that just reminds me, as I say, you know, that I like this color. And if you've ever seen me talk about this color, you know I'm going to say it's like Dwight mustard color. It's like Dwight from The Office, like his shirt. And now I'm mad because I literally last night got a my new Funko Pop of Dwight, and I meant to bring him up here so he could join the fam of Mrs. Nesbitt and Rose and Jack and Daenerys, I guess. And I forgot him. He's downstairs. I also saw Hot Topic has Prison Mike, and it's sold out. If I don't get Prison Mike, I need Prison Mike. Anyways, okay, so it's like a kimono. Yeah? Which really goes with my plaid shirt that I'm wearing here. I know. It runs small, so I will never tie it. Yeah, it's tiny. Oh, see, that's the bummer. See, look, this is as far as I can move my arms. Boo! See, that's, and this is a large, oh, this is a medium. That's why. I bought a medium. That was my mistake, is I bought a medium because I figured it was like a roby thing. So that was the mistake. Bought a medium. This, oh my god, I'm so glad I got this. This is a quick drying towel hat thing. So I guess you could put all your hair in here and then it will dry. I can't get Celine Dion out of my head. Well, I'm just gonna continue to wear this because it's cute and it's stretchy. What do we got in here? Oh, I've seen these before. Healing, lifting, power charge. It's one of those ion things and you use it to like scrape at your skin. Ooh, oh, there's those ultrasonic vibrations. I'm gonna try this out. I've seen these before on Instagram and stuff, but I've never used them. Cool. Cool, that'll be fun. What is this? It is not what you think, guys. It's not what you think. Okay, I don't have a battery for it. I think it's that, Jesus. What's going on? When it was like this, I'm not gonna lie, it was like, what did I buy? Maybe I'll do a video on that. Would you want a video on an eyeball massager? Eye rollerball massager? Leave a comment down below. Oh my god. See, I have two moods when I'm shopping, apparently. My first mood is buying cute shit that's like Instagram worthy, right? Like buying that cute peacock one. And then the next one is this. The fuck is this? I think it's like expectation of like these cute outfits that I'm never gonna wear, and then reality of this shirt that's probably 3 sizes too big for me that just has this. It's really what it is. I shop for what I want to be in life and what I am. This busted up child drawing of a dragon is who I am. Oh my god. This is for Violet. Oh my god, this is really cute. Look at this. It's a little like jumper dress with a cat. Or is that a mouse? I cannot honestly tell. Oh my god. That is so, oh my, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. That in the pockets. Oh, she'll love this. Leesha's version of Chucky Finster. And I'm not used to not being able to do the thing, you know the thing. Everything else in here is beauty stuff and some home stuff. Like I said, I didn't remember anything that I bought. This was all sort of on a whim kind of things. Okay, so here's what we have left. It's a bread cat. Who doesn't need a bread cat? A weekly pill box. I think I wanted to get this for like traveling. This one's an orange. Oh, that's cool. So it has that button that you press and it like changes the day. Oh my god, I love that. You put the pills in, you press it, and then you can pour them. That's so much cooler than I thought it was gonna be. I actually really like that. I thought it was just gonna be a cute ass little thing. holder thing. We're on to the last little bit here, and this is gonna be all beauty stuff. This I'm actually really excited about because it includes a mascara that some of my Narwhal Nation ladies were telling me about and saying it was like the best mascara that they've ever used. And then I saw it on here and I was really excited because I was gonna get it on Amazon and then saw it on here, decided to get it on here. So it looks like this. It's called Heroin Make. Oh my God, I didn't turn it off. That's what that was. That was terrifying me. And this is supposed to be like insane. The blackest mascara ever. And then I got the eyeliner that is made by the same one. Look how happy and excited she is. I mean, come on. This is the last thing. I don't even know what this is. Ooh, it vibrates. Okay, I only got it because I've seen them use this. Okay, I can get it out. In Instagram videos when they are doing injections. So when people are getting injections, they'll use this thing, and I get it now because it vibrates, so I can understand it kind of making you less focused on the one point of pain. But I didn't know what it was. I was just like, I've seen that on Instagram. And I don't know what the point of it would be for not sticking fillers into your face. I don't know. But I want you just to look at that girl. What? She has no nose. She looks like a Snapchat filter. Okay, guys, so that was basically my nutshell of a YESTYLE unboxing. I will link to as much of this as I can below. There's a lot of stuff going on here. YESTYLE is really cool. There's free shipping a lot of the times, but just be aware that just set it and forget it, and then when you get it in the mail, you won't remember what you got, and you'll have a fun, super awesome opening experience like I have here. Thank you so much for watching. Also, we are going to be on Twitch tonight at 7:30 streaming. I think we're going to play Jackbox. So if you want to come play some games with us, come hang out. Awesome. And tomorrow, I'm going to put this in the beginning of the video too. Tomorrow, hi, this is an edit from the end of the video. That is at the end of the video, and it's in the middle of the video. So if you've seen it twice, I love you because you watched the whole video. Tomorrow, this is not what I was looking for, but I thought it was. Tomorrow at noon Pacific, I will be doing my Twitch stream, my makeup stream. We're going to be using the new Orangey Glide palette from ColourPop. So if you want to come play, if you have that palette, you can come play. We have a real wheel we could spin. It's going to be awesome. And I hope to see you there. All right, so that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.